In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create cron jobs in n8n. Think of a cron job as an automatic timer that runs your workflow on a schedule so you don't have to do anything manually. We'll set up a simple daily schedule using n8n schedule trigger, and I'll explain what each option means so you can adapt it to your needs. Start by opening n8n in your browser. If you're using the cloud or a self-hosted instance, sign in and head to the main workspace. From there, go to your workflow area so you're looking at the workflow editor canvas. This is where we'll add the trigger that controls when everything runs. On the canvas, click the plus icon to add a new node. This opens the node picker. In the search bar, type schedule trigger, then select it. The schedule trigger is the built-in way to create time-based automations similar to cron. It can run at intervals or via cron-style rules, but we'll focus on the interval approach for clarity. In the schedule trigger settings, choose trigger interval. This mode is great for straightforward schedules without writing cron expressions. Next, set days between triggers. This tells n8n how many days to wait between runs. For example, set it to 1 for a daily job, 7 for a weekly job, or any number that makes sense for your routine. If you're transitioning from classic cron, think of this field as your every n days cadence. Now set the trigger at hour. This is based on the server or workspace time zone, so pick the hour you want the workflow to start. If you want a morning run, choose something like 9. For an overnight process, maybe 2. Right below that, enter the trigger at minute. This lets you fine-tune the exact start time, like 00 for the top of the hour or 30 for half past. Using a minute offset can be helpful if many workflows run at the same hour to avoid contention. With your timing configured, click Test Trigger. This fires the trigger immediately so you can confirm it works and see the node output. It's a safe way to verify that downstream nodes receive the expected execution event. If the test runs as expected, you know the schedule will run the workflow at the next calculated time. That's it. You've set up a scheduled job in n8n using the schedule trigger with interval timing. Once your workflow is active, n8n will automatically run it on the schedule you defined. If you ever need more complex patterns, the same node also supports cron expressions, but for most cases, the interval mode is fast, readable, and reliable.